Hello everyone, magandang oras sa ating lahat. Welcome to my videos. Maraming salamat sa panonood at lalo na sa mga nag-subscribe. Thank you guys. At kung bago ka pa lang dito sa aking videos, huwag kalimutan mag-like, comment, share, and subscribe para updated ka sa aking mga bagong upload ng mga videos na mayroong mga gandang kasaysayan at talaga tungkol sa ating mga barya. Guys, ito yung 10 cents natin guys ng France. Ito ay tinatawag na 10 cent times ng France. Meron taon na 1995. So continue tayo guys sa ating history tungkol dito guys dahil meron na tayong na-upload na mga page 1. Ito ay number 5 na tungkol dito guys ang baryang ito guys ng France. Ang kanyang napakagandang history. Ito yung number 5 guys. Ang 100 Years War from 1361. The start of the 100 Years War against the England in 1337 would increase the pressure to further devise the French slavery and attempt in 1343 to reverse earlier deprecations of the circulating dinars and reinstate the old 1317 era gross tournois. 40 money or strong money cause the financial havoc, especially with the borrowers who received depreciated coins and who then had to repay debts in 40 money. Lower valuations for the livery had to be accepted subsequently as the war raged on. In 1361, the gross tournois of 15 dinars tournois, one sol parisis, was minted at 84 to 9 French mark of silver. 23-24, the hens put 2.79 grams fine silver in gross. At the same time, gold flowing from the southern Europe started to become an important medium of exchange in the north. So gold francs worth 1 livre tournois, 16 sols parisis were minted at 63 to a French mark of fine gold. Hence 3.885 grams in a France. Gold as a circulating currency would henceforth continued in the form of eco, the ores of varying gold content.